Explore the top challenges in developing autonomous AI agents in Python. By understanding these challenges, you'll gain skills to create robust AI systems. Welcome to our exploration of the top 5 challenges in developing autonomous AI agents. Did you know that only a small fraction of AI projects reach the deployment stage due to these challenges? Today, we'll delve into the complexities that make developing AI agents in Python a formidable task. From environmental complexity to data scarcity, and the vital balance between exploration and exploitation, we'll cover it all. Stick around to learn strategies to overcome these obstacles and enhance your AI development skills. The first challenge in developing autonomous AI agents is understanding environmental complexity. Autonomous agents operate in dynamic environments where variables can change unexpectedly. This complexity can significantly impact the performance and decision-making capabilities of AI systems. For instance, consider an AI agent navigating a bustling city. It must process countless signals from traffic, pedestrians, and even weather conditions. To tackle this, developers often use simulation environments to replicate these complex systems, allowing AI to learn and adapt in a controlled setting. By simplifying the environment and incrementally introducing complexity, developers can enhance the robustness of their AI agents.
Another significant challenge is managing computational resources efficiently. AI agents require substantial processing power, which can be resource-intensive and costly. Balancing the need for speed and computational efficiency is crucial. Python, being a high-level language, offers numerous libraries and tools, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, to optimize resource usage. Efficient coding practices, such as minimizing loops and using vectorized operations, can further reduce computational load. Optimizing resource management not only speeds up AI training but also makes projects more sustainable and cost-effective. This is vital for scaling AI solutions across different platforms.
Ensuring reliability is a cornerstone in the development of autonomous AI agents. Reliability refers to the consistent performance of AI systems under varied conditions. Common reliability issues include unexpected crashes or incorrect outputs. To ensure reliability, developers must implement rigorous testing and validation processes. This involves creating redundant systems to handle failures and conducting stress tests under different scenarios. Continuous monitoring and real-time analysis are also critical in identifying and rectifying issues promptly. These practices ensure that AI agents remain dependable, reducing the risk of failures in critical applications such as autonomous driving or financial trading.
Data scarcity remains a formidable challenge in AI development. High-quality, labeled data is essential for training effective AI models. However, obtaining such data can be difficult and expensive. Developers can overcome this by generating synthetic data, which mimics real-world data while expanding datasets. Data augmentation techniques, such as rotating or flipping images, further enhance dataset diversity. Transfer learning is another powerful tool, allowing AI models to leverage pre-existing knowledge from similar tasks. Finally, building robust data pipelines ensures a steady flow of data, enhancing the model's ability to learn and adapt to new information.
Balancing exploration and exploitation is crucial in AI development. Exploration involves trying new strategies for learning, while exploitation uses known strategies to maximize performance. This balance is especially important in reinforcement learning, where agents learn by interacting with their environment. Too much exploration can lead to inefficiency, whereas excessive exploitation may result in missing out on better strategies. Techniques such as epsilon-greedy algorithms help in dynamically adjusting this balance. By tweaking parameters based on real-time feedback, AI agents can optimize their learning processes, ensuring they adapt effectively to changing environments. Scalability is a key factor when developing AI systems. As AI solutions grow, they must handle increasing amounts of data and more complex computations. Challenges in scalability include maintaining performance while expanding and ensuring system flexibility. Cloud computing offers a powerful solution, providing scalable resources that can be adjusted on demand. Designing scalable architecture, such as microservices, enables AI systems to grow organically. These approaches are crucial in real-world applications like e-commerce or social media platforms, where the ability to scale efficiently can significantly impact success and user experience.
Ethical considerations are increasingly important in AI development. As AI systems influence more aspects of life, ensuring ethical practices is crucial. Common ethical dilemmas include algorithmic bias and data privacy concerns. Developers must prioritize transparency, ensuring AI decision-making processes are understandable and accountable. Bias mitigation strategies, such as diverse training datasets and fairness audits, are essential in developing unbiased AI agents. By fostering ethical AI practices, developers can build systems that are not only efficient but also fair and trustworthy, gaining public trust and meeting regulatory standards.
Continuous learning is a vital aspect of modern AI development. It enables AI agents to adapt to new information and changing environments without needing extensive retraining. This adaptability is crucial in dynamic fields such as finance or healthcare. However, implementing continuous learning poses challenges, such as ensuring stability during updates and avoiding catastrophic forgetting. Techniques like online learning algorithms and dynamic memory allocation help address these issues. By integrating continuous learning, AI systems remain relevant and effective, evolving alongside the environments they operate in.
In conclusion, developing autonomous AI agents involves navigating various challenges, from managing complexity to ensuring ethical practices. By understanding and addressing these obstacles, developers can create more robust and efficient AI systems. Continuous learning and adaptation are key, allowing AI to evolve with the world around it. We invite you to join the conversation. Share your thoughts on AI development challenges in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and stay updated with the latest trends and strategies.